So I think AI is like, the buzzword everywhere, and it's going to disrupt, I would say, the industry that I belong to, which is pharma and healthcare, in a way that it is already disrupting, your e-commerce, Amazons and Flipkarts of the world, and in a right and in a positive way. I think in an industry which is very scientifically driven, where there is a lot of evidence-based content that goes out, I see the role of AI definitely in accelerating some of the content marketing that we typically speak of. So generating AI definitely coming in, and also let's not forget about the role of agentic AI. That's again seeking in, where you make your agents work for you, essentially to trim down some of the mundane processes and mundane day-to-day work that a marketer, for example, has to do, and rather the marketer would want to spend their time in strategy and in creating more human experiences for their brands and adding value to their customers. So I think generative AI, agentic AI is definitely going to disrupt the way that pharma content and marketing and omni-channel marketing is kind of working that way. And apart from that, yes, AI is also going to disrupt the way we optimize data. Again, very, very key when it comes to looking at customer behavior, looking at omni-channel journeys, and continuously keep on optimizing it. So definitely data driven through AI technologies and content marketing is something that will disrupt, and I'm very, very excited about it. Something that really concerns it, again, we see a lot of fake news and everything that's happening with AI coming in, and because pharma as an industry is very, very sensitive to, for example, ethnicity of the patient, the way a patient is portrayed, right? Whether it's a black patient, for example, it's a Caucasian patient, for example. So I think all those nuances needs to be really, really, looked at, and therefore organizations have to be very, very responsible whenever, they're looking at AI in disrupting their business. So there needs to be a lot of internal training, education, awareness, putting processes and frameworks and SOPs into place before rolling out. Because again, at the end of the day, pharma and healthcare is a very regulated industry. So AI is great to have. Technology is there to enable business, but I think all the guardrails that I just spoke about has to be kind of measured in if you really want to see the value to our customers. Very, very exciting. We had a very, very exciting panel discussions. Again, I think the representation from multiple industries and the kind of insights that were shared were really exciting. It was really enriching, and I think often at times we become so involved in our day-to-day life and industry, and it's really good to have an outside-in perspective, which I think I got through the event today.